it's kind of funny. I'm not sure if the locals around here see too many black Americans, but since I've been in Kerala, a lot of them mistaken me as Arabic. You're Arabic. I don't know if it's skin tone or I don't know, but it's just funny to me. I really don't have anything planned for today. I'm just gonna, roam around Fort Kochi and see what I can get into. It's a pretty hot day today. Yesterday it rained majority of the day. Hey, how you doing?
Lot of place here for Cochin sightseeing place.
Sightseeing?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm okay. I went yesterday.
Yesterday you
Yeah, I went yesterday.
Now where are you going, sir?
Huh?
Now where are you going?
Where I'm going now?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm just walking around.
Show me my map. The sightseeing place. We're looking for you. This is a Fort Kochi. This is Matanjiri. Fort Kochi Chinese fishing net. This is one beach. This is one museum, Indo-Portuguese museum. This is one.
Yeah, but I seen everything yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday I seen Chinese fishing net. I went to everywhere.
Everywhere. You've been there, Spice Market also?
Spice Market, the organic spice.
No. This is a Bazaar Road,
Huh?
You're going to Bazaar Road, good Spice Market also. This is Bazaar Road, Spice Market.
Yeah, I didn't go to this one. I went to the organic.
Organic.
The women one. I went there.
Yeah, going to this one. This one, other one place, ginger factory. And ginger factory, dry place, ginger. A nice place. You come with me a little bit here tour also. You come from, sir?
Where do you think I come from?
Maybe something, south. Maybe something. South Africa.
South Africa.
Yeah.
You think I'm from South Africa?
Yeah.
Where do you think I'm from?
I'm from Assam.
Where do you think I'm from?
No, I don't know.
You don't know.
Yeah.
You think I'm South African?
Yeah, America. Also.
Maybe.
Okay, come with me. Show me a little bit.
But I went yesterday. I don't want to do it again.
You're going to organic spice market, and you also very good, bazaar.
I bought spices yesterday. From the organic all women.
Okay.
No, not around here. I don't know where I went, but it was organic.
Yeah.
It was a women sponsored.
This one. You're going to this one,
No,
organic spice
not
market.
that one. No.
You're going to other one.
A woman's one.
But you're talking with you. You're going to a ginger factory.
The ginger factory.
And you're going to something, other one temple, This.
So I've been to all the temples. I've been.
You've been there. This.
Yes.
Dobigan. You've been there.
Yeah.
Nice place here.
Yeah, really nice.
You're
place.
going to this ginger factory and other one.
This is not the ginger factory. It's Spice Market.
Also a ginger factory.
Oh. Okay. So I've been to.
Okay, you give me 100 rupees
here.
here 2 hours also, no problem.
But you have to take me to places I haven't been. I want. You from this?
Yeah, my body is Cochin. I
so
know
you
that.
give me your perspective.
Yes, okay. And after you've been there. This one museum. This is very Navy museum.
Marine Drive.
Yeah, but
It's on Marine Drive.
Yeah, but this is a Navy museum. Also, is something a study.
Oh, yeah.
Lot of studies, navies.
Okay. But where's Marine Drive? I didn't go to Jewtown.
Okay, you going to Jewtown? Okay, no problem. On the way, Jewtown on the way, this place here, Spice Market.
But I gotta get some batteries.
On the way, show me batteries, no problem. Maybe something,
A lot of the locals, when they ask me where I'm from, you know what they guess?
Yeah, maybe something that America.
You think America?
Yeah.
America, yeah.
South America also.
South America.
Yeah, language also.
A couple guys they say, "Oh, you're Arabic."
Yeah.
You think I resemble being Arabic?
Here also, yeah.
Oh, okay. No, I'm American. I'm from the U.S.
Yeah, I know that.
wants another tuk-tuk driver, and he's gonna bring me around certain places. I told him I don't want to go to the same places that I went to yesterday. So I know I shouldn't be taking tuk-tuks every day, but I feel like I'd rather get the locals' perspective, even if it's a business for them and they're making money off it. I'd rather them take me to spots instead of me just walking around not having a plan. I did no research here, so I'm just going off the fly, you know? So I don't mind spending money to get shown around. Also, it's helping out the local economy, so I think it works in both ways. About 2:40 p.m. A lot of the kids are getting out of school, so I'm starting to get busy in this area. Like I said, I really don't have any plans today. I'm just, going with the flow. But Kerala is one of those places where you could just be comfortable and relax and just explore the city without that hassle.
You have seen this guy, this one guy.
Hello, my friend. You have GoPro batteries. GoPro.
Battery.
You know where I can get it? GoPro, the batteries. No?
Anyone down there?
Yeah.
Little bit.
Little.
We just your tray again.
Vegetable.
How much?
No problem, no problem.
No problem.
You have tea? Tea?
Yeah.
Okay, it's good.
I'm good.
It's good?
We'll be good. What is this called? Banana?
Banana fry.
Banana free?
Yeah. Good taste. It's good?
Pretty much it's a fried banana.
Yeah.
Is this a local special or?
Yeah, local special.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
another thing that I noticed, the Tuk Tuks in Kerala is a lot bigger than the ones in Mumbai. And also, there's a lot of alleyways, back streets that the Tuk Tuks ride through, which makes it easier for traveling. Riding around this local community.